Okay, you ready? This is my Portals outfit. I'm so excited. So the corset's falling, but it's whatever. It's a skirt, dress, whatever. I'm wearing a bodysuit, so I'm not naked. My pixie mullet. Yes. I'm so excited for Portals. Ta-da! Debating if I want to wear these because I'm already wearing like so many layers. I'll be sweating my ass off with these on. Yeah! Gardens on my feet. I'm good to go. Portals, 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 portals. Yeah! Yeah! I will also be wearing my lantern. There is no doubt she is not going to be able to see me. Literally, I'm the only Teletubby motherfucker in the crowd. I would love to see your outfits. Stitch this video. I want to see.